Hello everyone, welcome to Rebecca's Sewing Quests. Today we will be looking at the Victorinox Swiss Army knife. It's a SwissChamp model and it got a lot of features, I think. So let's take a look. Here's this SwissChamp Swiss Army knife, and it got the little emblem on there. Red scales, original. Alright, here are the Victorinox tweezers, which come in very handy at removing ticks in your skin and splinters. Then we have the key ring here. You could put like a small rope on here and like do a couple like designs on there, and you also could put it on your with your keychain with your keys and carry it with you to work or somewhere. Alright, now right here we have the magnifying glass. It is very good. I really like the magnifying glass. It's one of my favorites. Then we have the Phillips head screwdriver. Got the bottle opener, flathead screwdriver, and wire stripper right there. Then we have a flathead screwdriver and the standard can opener. Then we have the small blade, large blade, here is the fish scaler, and it has a ruler that is 3 inches, and on the other side it has centimeters on here, and it's 7 centimeters long. And this right here, you can use it to get out hooks out of fish's mouths, which are hard to get out sometimes with just your fingers. Here's the saw blade. It has very sharp teeth. Comes in very handy when you're like trying to saw through some wood or anything like that, or some other materials. Then we have the nail file. It would be very good for like doing your nails or like trying to trim your nails or anything like that. Then we have the Victorinox wire spring pliers. Then we have the Victorinox scissors. Now let's go to the other side. Here is the corkscrew, and in there we have the eyeglasses screwdriver, which comes in very handy. I hear it helps people get their eyeglass screws tightened. And in here we have a stick pen, which you can use it for a lot of things, like maybe getting some glass out of your foot or other purposes. Now we have the multi-purpose hook. You can use it to carry 200 pounds, and you can use it to carry bags, or if like you had, or like packages with string on it. And you also can use it to like pull oven racks, unlock doors, anything. It's a multi-purpose hook, so you can use it for a lot of multi-purposes. see. Here is the chisel. You can use it for like chiseling wood. Then I think this is a flathead screwdriver. And this is the awl. It has this little eye needle. You can use it for sewing, and also you can use it to make your holes bigger or more holes in your belts, that way it be smaller. And you can use it to like sew some canvas or any type of cloth to sew it up and patch it if you're in a hurry. And that concludes about all the features. Oh wait, I forgot something. It also has a pen, so you can write with it. And I think it is very good. There we are. Yeah, the toothpick. And that's about it. And that concludes everything on the SwissChamp. And let me know what you think in the comments. And I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to Rebecca's Sewing Quests. And I hope you all have a great day.